In this video, we will learn how to make the automatic table of content using the Microsoft Word. Suppose we have a report in which there are heading, for example, introduction heading, literature review, and experimental setup. These three headings are given. These three headings are given, and we need to make the table of content using these three headings. So how we can do automatically? So let us discuss about this one. So for that one, what you can do, in the home tab there are the basically style section. If you look about in the style section, so there are some features like heading 1, heading 2, and if you click here, you will see there are heading 1, heading 2, and so many other headings and so many other things are shown here. What our target is basically to make the introduction is the main heading, since it is a level 1 heading or the main heading introduction. If we click the cursor that is on the introduction line and then click heading 1 level, so what happened, automatically the style of this introduction is being changed. Similarly, literature review, you just change it. Similarly, experimental setup, you can just click here and change the. So in this way we have changed introduction, literature review, and experimental setup, all these headings as a level 1 or the heading 1, basically all these headings. And now the next step, how to add the table of content. So for that one, you can make this all these reports in the page 2 just by clicking Control and Enter. And now the page 1 is blank here. In the page 1, click the cursor of the page 1 and then go to the reference page. In the reference page, you will see that there are the options for the table, inserting the table of content, and then you just click the reference tab, and there, this option table of content is the starting option, and you can just custom table of contents or the add table of content option. Click, you will see that window, and just click OK. You will see all these three main headings are showing here in this way. So in this way you can just make all these headings automatically with respect to the page number. And now suppose I need to enter this some other headings. For example, there are some headings that should be fall in the category of literature review. There are some headings that are falls in the category of experimental setup. So how we can do it? So in this case, we can now to know how to add the new levels of headings and how it can be presented, or how it can be shown in the table of content. So for that thing, we have to add it. So I am going to enter in the experimental setup. Suppose I am going to enter one part, setup 1. So this is our the subheading of the experimental setup. So what I can do, I can choose in the home section in style heading level 2. So heading level 2 is a part of experimental setup, and suppose there are some other ones also, setup 2. Just click here and select the heading number 2. So, and we can even add some material. For example, this one I can just make the copy paste. For example, if you are writing something in the setup 2 and in the setup 1. So in this way you have added these two subheadings in the experimental setup and come to the table of content. And what you can do, you can just select any place in this table of content and make the right click and then update field and then update entire table. Okay, just click here and you can see that in the experimental setup these two subheadings are now shown in the table of content. So in this way you can update the table of content, and also you can add anywhere in the your report the new headings, and that can be reflected in the table of content. That is a very easy one.